What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka Too Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And this is a follow-up. I'm not sure if it's the last video or the video before that one, because I'm shooting a few during this weekend and the weekend coming up. So either way, this is follow-up to when we came back from Tampa and when Frantz caught a flat. So we're actually heading, or I'm hitting Speedzone now. He's already there. He's getting new tires, and then a little later today he's also getting his alignment to make sure that's not gonna happen again. So without further ado, I'll check y'all at Speedzone. All right, made it to Speedzone. Homie Frantz is already posted up. His car will be going in the back soon. I don't know if you guys really got a good look at the tire, but that's it. Didn't put the lock one on just because it is the temporary one, but yeah, doesn't look too crazy different compared to this one. At least it's the same pattern and shape anyway, 5-spoke. But yeah, so gonna go ahead and he's getting a new set of tires and alignments. And since we're so early, it's not a crazy amount here. Got Rusty's cars over there, and they got Sean's here. But I'm not sure who WRX that is. Let's go on in. The three amigos here, just showing up, support. All right, you got any words for the people?
Oh yeah, shout out to Kenzai, shout out to my girlfriend, shout out to God, my family, Habits, shout out to Speedzone, and make sure you always do alignment. Don't be a knucklehead like me.
Yeah, definitely want to get that alignment. What up, what up? Sorry I missed it, but I heard them popping. Let's, yeah, here. Nice. Thanks. Alright, so we rolling out, about to grab something to eat. Still got a hour or so, a little over an hour till it's time to get his alignment. So that will be next. Oh, can you see him? I guess you can't see him from this angle. But homie Ryan, there he is in the background. But yeah, so we'll probably pick up the camera again when we park. Alright, just got here. Excuse the parking job. Somebody ain't want to park in the lines. Anyway, yeah, decided to come to Chili's. Was gonna hit up Chick-fil-A, but couldn't dine in, so we'll do this real quick and we're gonna be good. Alright, so Frantz had to roll out to his appointment. He was still waiting for food, so he got his to go. So we just got here, but he's already done, so they work fast. So 37 minutes after his appointment, he was already done. And they got a few cars out here, but already looking better. What y'all think? I see old speed tires, they get you right. Let's see if that's pretty dope. Let's see if the dude who did mine is back here. Nah, I don't see him back here. But yeah, that's dope too. Oh yeah.
What's that on the front? Or a hint tape.
Integra though. Okay. Yeah. Sound good. Mm-hmm. Think he gonna speed off. I figure he's gonna do something. Always something here at Speedzone. And the homies here. Wash your cars. Always good. Always when they leaving. Of course I didn't park the best, but you know, it is what it is. So we just finished, we up at the other Speedzone. I don't know what that story is. Then you got your usual suspects. Of course. Hey. What's up? Saw him at the show at Ace Cafe. Looking dope.
Every time I go somewhere, he's always there, my man.
Car looks so good. Sound pretty good too. So yeah, that's dope. When he came rolling in, it definitely looks dope in motion. And that's pretty clean too. But yeah, we're probably not gonna do anything else. That's pretty much it for this video. I did just get my side skirts reordered. It's a different company, so the other one kind of failed already. So it's gonna be a 3-piece side skirt, and we measured again just to make sure, and they actually already have them in stock, so it's gonna work better. We don't have to worry about them custom cutting or anything, and it's perfect. So it'll go all the way to the back. Then it has the little fin on the side as well. So yeah, should be here next week, Saturday, I believe. So just gotta see when they have available to get and get it installed. But yeah, I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, have a good one. Peace.